Hey you guys, it's Monica and welcome back. So today we are doing it back to basics where I'm going to show you guys how to do a two-color ombre. So I've been getting a lot of comments under my videos saying how people are just starting Tumblers. They're just starting their Tumblr journey, getting into it. And so, you know, this is an educational channel. I want to make some educational videos for you guys. It's not all about doing all the advanced stuff, all the fancy stuff. Sometimes we got to take it back, you know, to the basics. And so for my OGs, this is not necessarily the video for y'all because I'm gonna keep it straightforward. You see, it's a short video, so I'm here just to give out that good informational content, but you can stay if you want to because why not? And so, hello new people, my name is Monica. I'm the one who does the ranting and raving over here, and I have my own glitter line. You can check that out at PeriodSixDesigns.com, and you can follow me on all my socials. That's PeriodSixDesigns over on Instagram, TikTok, and Pinterest, as well as subscribing to me over here. And so what am I doing? Because I've been talking for almost a minute and I haven't told you anything that I'm doing. So what I'm doing, I'm using Podge because that is my choice of adhesive when it comes to glitter. It's just easier. I make a lot of mistakes. Rule number one, we struggle over here, and it's okay to struggle, but make sure we learn from our mistakes. That's why you're here in this video, so you can learn how to ombre. So I'm taking a contour brush from Wet n Wild. You can pick these up at the Dollar Tree. I'm sorry, the $1.25 tree, and I'm gonna slow my voice down a little bit so y'all can catch up. And so I do a nice thin layer of that, like thin but thick enough so that, you know, it's not gonna drop on you. Hence why you're gonna see me doing the rims and the edges first, so that, you know, because I'm moving a little slower in this video, even though I have it sped up, so I can show you guys what I mean. And so the biggest thing when it comes to ombreing is knowing your angles. It's like a picture. What's your angle, girl? What's your side? What side do you look best from? Ombres look best from a 45-degree angle. What do I mean by that? Boom, right here. I'm going to be holding my cup at a 45-degree angle in order to get those colors to mesh perfectly together. It's all about the angle. And if you're struggling with the angle, one thing I like to say is put your pipe on the desk and hold it at that angle and then just spin it against your surface. That way you kind of brace yourself and you give yourself that leverage. And then you're just going to backfill. At this one, you can hold it back straight and backfill with that top color. And it's really that simple. I know that went really fast, but it really is that simple. So I'm going to show it to you one more time. So we're going to do 2 layers on this cup. If you like how the first layer looks, you don't have to go back and do another layer. But the second layer is also an opportunity to kind of correct your ombre. If like your height is kind of off, or it's like higher on one side of the cup than it is the other side of the cup, you can fix all of that with your second layer by just simply doing another layer of glitter. So that's what we're working with for the first layer. And for the second layer, we're going to start it again using that Mod Podge and going in, doing another layer. You're going to need a little bit more because some of that is going to soak down into your glitter. Completely expect it. I like to, when I'm doing my second layer of glitter, I like to do one color at a time, wiping off my brush between layers. That is because I don't want to find a big patch of another color of glitter on my cup once it dries, and I'm like, ooh, I don't like that. I don't like that at all. And so, like I said, wipe off your brush, but usually when you, like how you saw me wiping off the excess glitter, that's really good at also helping to prevent that to a point where like you could probably just go straight into the other color. And so yeah, just little things to remember. But like I said, the biggest thing when you're doing ombres is remember your angle. If you're not hitting your angle, you're gonna get like that chunky line, very line of demarcation-y look on your tumbler. So just hit your 45-degree angle and you'll be good. And so you saw me wipe off my brush, and now we are going to do the other layer. I didn't even tell you what colors of glitter these were. Like, what if y'all want to get these glitters? Check out my website, PeriodSixDesigns.com. The top color is a color called Top Down, and the bottom color is a color called Girls Trip. Like I said, you can pick those up over on my website. So yes. And hello, welcome. I'm so happy you're here. I'm so happy you're starting your Tumblr journey. Like, crafting is something that can bring you peace, but something that can bring you frustration. But it's something that is really fun and is very rewarding, especially when you achieve the look that you were going for. So yeah, I'm glad you're on this journey. Come join our community, and don't forget to subscribe to me over here because I do like educational videos, but I'm mostly talking smack while we're crafting, and so that is my genre. So if you're into that, join us over here. But if you come out of your face, I'm just tell you now, I do block people. So keep it cute, y'all. Keep it cute. Okay, so we're doing it one more time. And so you see me holding that cup at that 45-degree angle. Height is another big thing. I feel like height helps you get that extra blend because like now you got like some air between the glitter and the cup, and it just works out perfect. So now you're just gonna hold your cup back at a 90-degree angle or not 90, I'm sorry, a 180-degree angle. Lord, we could have did this so many different angle ways. We could have went to the 270. Oh, so many things. But, and that's it. So yeah, so then you just backfill it and you're like, oh, this still doesn't look perfect. When you dust it off before you epoxy it, it's going to look perfect. So I dusted off, I epoxied it, and this is what I was left with. Boom. A perfect ombre. Every time. I promise y'all. Try it out. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. Are your ombres getting better? If you still need help, leave me a message. Let's see what you're doing wrong. And so, like I said, don't forget to subscribe to me over here. Follow me on Instagram, Pinterest, and TikTok at PeriodSixDesigns. Subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. And woo, bye.